Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Sunday Live session. My name is Dr Tanima Singhal. I am a childbirth educator, pregnancy educator, lactation consultant and a Garbh Sanskar expert. I have 12 years experience in obs and gynae. My graduation is in Ayurveda and my post graduation is in reproductive child and health. Since 3 years, I am working as a pregnancy and childbirth educator and lactation consultant and Garbh Sanskar expert at Maa-Si Care Clinic, Vikas Nagar, Lucknow. I have 12 years experience in obs and gynae and 3 years working as childbirth educator, as I told you. So today's topic is how to make a baby sleep at night. Most of the time, mothers reach out to me. Uh, uh, Along with breastfeeding, they also have issues related to baby, like how to make the baby sleep, how to feed the baby, all these kind of things. So along with breastfeeding, I'm also taking topics on the pregnancy care, baby care, and baby nutrition. So this will keep coming, and you can follow that, and if you find them useful and you know any mother who has a small baby, you can tag them, you can join them on this group so that they are benefited too. So, the best method to make a baby sleep is always, it's one tried and tested thing and very useful, is to make a schedule. Always see that you make a schedule for your baby and follow and stick to that schedule. Someday you make them sleep at 10 o'clock and sometime you make them sleep at 12 o'clock will not work. Also, you need to change the kind of lifestyle which you have been following before your baby. You have to change it now. If you have a tendency of sleeping late at 12 a.m. or 1 a.m., then obviously your baby will not sleep on time. So, if you wish to have your baby sleep at proper timings in the night, you have to first make changes in your lifestyle. So, making a schedule and sticking to the schedule is very important. That makes a good circadian rhythm for the baby. So, the baby has chances to sticking to the schedule, and that will make your life much more easier. Now, what are the best methods along how you can make a schedule for your baby? The best known calming techniques which will help for your baby to make the baby sleep better at the night are swaddling for infants. What is swaddling? Swaddling is a kind of wrapping the baby in a special cloth which is meant for making the baby soothe out. So the baby feels like the baby was in the womb, that kind of experience that makes the baby very calm. And this is followed for small babies, infants. So it is not recommended for elder babies but for smaller ones. So you can follow swaddling techniques to make your baby calm and the baby will fall asleep better. Now, next is massage. This is a very good technique to massage your baby, especially the foot massage and the temple area massage. You can massage your baby on the forehead on and the temple area, especially for the 7 8 months baby. When the baby starts teething, that time most of the mothers complain that the babies don't sleep properly on time. That time, head massage will work wonders. Also, you can just make some cheek massage and also the foot massage, that will help a baby to relax and the baby will fall asleep better. Also, see, always remember any light repetitive movement like swaying or swinging, that should be light and repetitive, and it should be regular. And you have to see that one pattern, whatever you follow that regularly. So that will make your baby just train to that kind of a thing, that this movement is for sleeping. So the baby will start recognizing that and it will start falling into the thing that okay, this is the thing which is meant for sleeping, so the baby will sleep. Also, dimming the lights, this has worked wonders. Also, there is a tip, you can use any dim light, the same one only for when the baby, you have to make the baby sleep. You can use only that light only at particular time when you want your baby to sleep. That will train the baby's mind that this light means sleeping time. So that will help you to make your baby sleep better. Also, playing soft music sounds from a white noise machine or an app. There are a lot of apps which have white noise. So that white noise is very good for making the baby soothe. Smaller babies, they don't know about what are the different noises. We are knowing lot of noises, but the babies, they find every little voice for them, every little noise is very disturbing for them. So they are very attentive to each and every small voice also, noises also. But white noise is something which is very calm for them. That white noise is nearly like the same sound which is there inside the womb. So that's why white noise is very familiar to the baby, and baby feels soothed out, and the baby sleeps. So that you can have lot of apps are there which have this white noise. You can use that to just play it when you want your baby to sleep, and that will help. The key is removing stimulation and signaling body that it's time to rest. Many times I see when the fathers return from home, from their office in the evening, or some family members, they play with the baby. So the baby is stimulated at that time, and that will make the baby tired. But you don't believe that if the baby is tired, the baby will sleep. If the baby is overstimulated, the baby will not sleep. So you have to see that when you want your baby to sleep, that time you have to calm the baby. You don't have to stimulate the baby. You don't have to play a lot with the baby at that time, so that it will help to calm out the baby, and the baby will have a tendency to sleep. Now these are the to do things. Now I am telling you what not to do. Many times I see mothers, they say that I try to keep my baby awake in the night, in the daytime, so that the baby sleeps better in the night. Don't do that. If you keep your baby awake in the daytime, that will not will help you, because the baby will be so tired that the baby will not fall asleep. You can see that for yourself also. If you are sometimes very tired, it will take a lot of time for you to relax, for you to go to bed. The same is with the baby also. If the baby is overstimulated or overtired, the baby will not properly sleep, and the baby will keep crying, and the mother and the parents and the family are just clueless why the baby is crying a lot. So that you have to see that your baby is not tired a lot. Next, putting cereal in the bedtime milk. Many times I see mothers telling me that I put a little heavier meal before making the baby sleep, so that the baby can sleep for a longer time. This is again not going to help you. If you are putting cereal cereals into the baby's food, or something you are giving heavy before making the baby sleep, that will cause lot of gastric problems to the baby, and the baby will keep getting up frequently in the night. So that is again not going to help. Better than that, you have to just breastfeed the baby. If the baby is on breastfeed, then the breastfeeding is very calming and soothing for the baby. And if the baby is not on breastfeed, and the baby can have milk from the bottle or from the glass, then that is good, because you can feed the baby, burp the baby, make the baby little move with the baby, and then make the baby sleep. This will help. Then, holding your baby as you fall asleep. Many times I see that the mothers become so tired, sometimes they are holding their babies and they fall asleep. But don't do this. Sometimes mother is too tired and she's holding the baby. There are many accidents occur, and the baby falls from the baby's mother's lap, something like that. So don't do that. You can just place the baby on the bed, lie down with the baby, and just make the baby sleep. So how to do that? Lying flat on the back. The baby should be flat on the back with no heavy blankets. Now the winters are here, where many times we can see that the mother feel that the baby may catch cold, so she puts blankets on the baby. You have to always see that you don't put heavy blankets on the baby. There should be no stuffed toys in the baby's crib. Please remember, remove all the toys from the baby's around when the baby is sleeping. Do not use pillows or cushions for propping up your baby. Please remember, don't follow these things. There are a lot of accidents which happen. Don't just make a baby safely sleep in the crib or your bed, or whatever way you are, but don't use any stuffed toys or any cushions or any pillows around the baby while you are making the baby sleep. Hopefully, these tips will help you, and please follow these techniques. If it works, then just give me a thumbs up, and also share us some tips if you have for making your baby sleep. You can share in this thread, so that other mothers are also helped into by this with your techniques. Thank you so much. That is Dr. Tanima Singhal signing off. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family, and you know any mother, you can just tag them. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and a very happy Deepavali. Thank you.